So I have my pattern paper already here with me, and to start off in this tutorial, I'm going to be coming down by 1/2 inch. After coming down by 1/2 inch, I'll be drawing a straight line across. So that straight line I'm going to draw is going to serve as our starting line. So next, after drawing the starting line, I'm going to mark the neck line. So I went down by 3 inch and I'm going out by 3 inch also. So after marking that, I marked my shoulder measurement, which is 16 divided by 2/8, and I went ahead to mark 8 inches. Then on that shoulder point, I came down by 1 inch, and I'm going to be drawing a line across now to meet with that 1 inch point that I drew. So for the neckline, I went down by 3 inches and I went out by 3 inches. So the length is 3 inches and the width is 3 inches. Next, I used my curved rule to curve that, which we can see, and this is what we have. So moving forward now, I'm going to be marking my chest line, the measurement of my chest line. So your chest line is the line above your bust measurements, the line above your bust. And for me, I had 8 to 9 inches, about 8 to 9 inches. Let me just say 8 inches, because above my bust is 8 inches. So I'm going to be drawing 8 inches down. 8 inches from that 1 inch mark we took. So automatically from the starting line, it's 9 inches. So you can go ahead and measure yours. Whatever you get, you can place that down. So next now, I made sure that the line from the edge of the paper is 8 inches too. So next, I'm going ahead to draw the straight line down. Next, I'm going ahead to draw the line across, which is automatically the chest line. And this is what we have. Next, I'm going ahead to get the half measurement of the armhole line, which is 4 inches. So I marked my 4 inches because we marked 8 inches. So half of 8 inches is 4 inches. So now on that 8 inches line, I'm going to be going out by 0.75 inches. How did I get 0.75 inches? I'll explain better as we proceed in the video. So for now, I'm going ahead to mark my bust measurement, which is 38 inches divided by 4, and I have 8.5 inches. I have 8.5 inches. So for a small size, you can go out by 1 inches. For a medium size, you can go out by 0.75 inches. For large size, you can go out by 0.5 inches. And for extra large size, you can go out by just 0.25 inches. So that is how I got the 0.75 inches I am working with. So next, I went out by 0.5 inches. And on this line across, just as we can see, I'm also going out by 0.75 inches. So next now, I'm going to get my curved rule and join those points together. Please, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this video to whoever you feel may be interested in watching this, and I'll be seeing you in subsequent tutorials. So as we can see, I made sure that the points connected to each other, and I drew the curve. Next, I drew the back. So the second line I drew is for the back armhole, and we can see that. So next, I just went ahead to draw a straight line down, adding extra 1 inches. So it depends on what you are doing. You can add 1.5, 2 inches, or even 2.5 inches. So thank you for watching to this point. I really appreciate. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye.